Today I'm here at Classic Remise, and Classic Remise is actually an old tram depot that has been converted into kind of like a classic car storage place. Classic car owners can bring their classic cars inside, and there's glass garages inside where they can park them and anybody can come and see them. Also inside you can find people who sell cars, car dealers, and on the other side there's some service providers like workshops, detailing services, etc. Let's go and check it out. So when you walk into Classic Remise, this is the site you'll be confronted with. On the left hand side all the way down here are the glass garages. This is where owners can park their cars for everybody to come and see. It's much better than, in my opinion, it's much better than them being parked in an owner's garage where nobody gets to see them. And all on this side here, all the way down here, these are all cars that are for sale. All of the offices down this side, they're all car dealers looking to sell their cars that are on display. Let's have a look at what we can find. So we've got some old Citroens here. Unfortunately, my knowledge on classic cars is not extremely good. I'm 33, so my interest in cars really is cars from the 80s and 90s. But you've got some old Mercedes, a Beetle, 190 SL. I'm not sure what these are. I know that's a Mustang. Is it a Mustang? No, it's not a Mustang. Oh yeah, it is a Mustang. Mustang Cabriolet. It's 29,000 euros. They've got a Peugeot 404, another Peugeot. In fact, this is from the 80s. I remember seeing these driving around back in the day. What is it, in 1983, and it's 11,500 euros. Is this an old Volvo? I've never seen an old Volvo before, and that's an old Peugeot truck. This one I've never. It's an old Volvo. What year is it from? 1935. Here we have another P1800S. I think one of the highest mileage cars in the world is one of these. The guy's had it since new and just keeps driving it. I need to squeeze back through. And here we have, I think this is another Peugeot, isn't it? Oh, it's a Citroen, sorry. Yeah, I knew it was French. 220 SEB Cabriolet. This is an old Audi. You can see the logo. Oh, what is it? 1956, 19,800 euros. It's an old Porsche, a 964. 86,000 for the cab. That's expensive. That's not a good deal. I assume all of these cars are pretty expensive. More expensive than they should be. And this is a cool truck. With the truck you also get a boat, or you get a boat with the truck, depending on which way you look at it. It seems to be registered. It must be on sale or return or something. Let's go and have a look upstairs. Check it out. Here's the information sheet. It's called Boat Lounge. It's 225,000 euros. It's a lot of money, but it is a pretty good looking thing. Let's carry on. We have more Mercedes. This is a 220A, 80,000 euros. This, I don't know what this is. Alvis, it must be a defunct manufacturer. 80,000 euros. This is nice. This one. It's an old BMW 327 Cabriolet. It says on there. What year is this? 1939. Yeah, all of these here, these are all offices for the car dealers. This car appears to be undergoing some kind of maintenance or repair or restoration. This is an old Model T. I've never seen one of these up close before. I think these are probably one of the cheapest cars ever. I never knew that they would have the engraving on there like that. Is this a... In fact, there's quite a lot of detailing on these vehicles because they were very, very cheap. Extremely cheap, so... There's a luggage case on the side. Quite a lot of detailing. $450 SEL. This is very much an African dictator mobile, this one. 997. I think these cars here are undergoing some kind of maintenance and repair by the looks of it. Yeah. Right, we can just take a look. That's pretty cool, that. This is probably one of the best places in Berlin for car people, especially if you're into classic cars. I mean, just look. Anybody can just walk in, it's free of charge. There's very few people here. Let's check out the garages. Where should we start? Okay, let's start at the bottom. Oh, we have some more cars parked up here. I think these are for sale. I don't think these are owners' cars. Otherwise they'll be in a garage. Let's take a look. Yeah, these are for sale. These cars, what year is this from? 1985, 10,000 euros. I remember these still being driven on the road from when I was young. That's another Mustang. It's a terrific place, this. You just wander around. Take your time, have a look, free of charge. And these are offices maybe of some dealers or something. Let's have a look. This is the first original parts for British classic cars. So these are parts vendors. These must be very busy. British classics aren't known for their reliability, are they? Let's check out the garages. These are the owner's pride and joys. I'm not sure if they rent the place or how much they pay to rent the garage, but you see this vehicle has seasonal plates, so you can drive that on the road between April and October. So you don't have to pay as much road tax or whatever. It's a Lamborghini Diablo. I'll struggle to name all of these. Oh no, that's a Porsche 911. This is a Maserati something or other. It's an Aston Martin DB. Well, that's quite modern, that one. That's not a... This is a Gullwing, I think, Mercedes. There's a lot of money's worth of cars inside here. I think now we'd have to go upstairs. Oh, the stairs are back where we just came from. See, I mean, this place is I've never really seen anything like this before. I did post about this place on my TikTok like 2 weeks ago, and people were telling me that a place like this exists in Denmark. There's also another branch of Classic Remise in Dusseldorf. I wish they'd make something like this in the UK, because I think it needs to be done. Let's take a look. Alright, so we've got more cars up here. It's another, I think that's a 964 maybe. Mercedes. See, all of these cars have plates, so they're ready to drive. Here we have a Aston Martin. They might even belong to the same person. Another Aston Martin. Oh wait, these are all Aston Martins by the looks of it. Yep. This is a Rolls Royce. I have no idea what this car is. Alfa Romeo 5. That's interesting. I've never seen something like this before. It's like a model Lamborghini. Ah, I understand now. The shop downstairs sells models, so they've got a model of the Lamborghini on the top. I wonder now if I can walk through here. I hope so. I hope it's just a fire door. No, it's locked. Well, this is actually an event space, so you can hold a conference or probably even a wedding here. I could see myself having a wedding here, to be honest. Certainly different from the norm. Alright, let's go down and see what else we can find. This is a... what is it got here? It's a lot of German. My German is not good enough. Well, we can see 60 kilometers an hour, is that maybe? Oh, 60 kilometer range, 28 kilometers an hour maximum. I think this is electric. There's the schematics of it, yeah. I saw this earlier. Yeah, it's electric van. On the side it says Whittlerbrot, which I don't know what gesund means, but Whittlerbrot, I assume it's a bread van. That's the only assumption I can make, because Brot means bread. I'm just hoping it's not his surname. Here we have a few more modern cars here for sale. I think usually I do like these wheels though. These are very nice wheels. This vehicle's a strange car. It looks very... Oh, I see. It looks like this person went around the world in this thing. Oh, there's a map here. Oh, I see. So it's driven... Yeah, I understand. Okay, right, yeah, so she drove all the way through here down to Singapore. Then it looks like through Australia, New Zealand, and then came around this side. Well, I don't know which direction she came in, but she then came here through USA, Canada, then back. Well, you can't. This must have been shipped there. How do you drive with? Oh, we went on a container ship from Miami to Peru. and she drove all the way down here, and then she went to Africa. Container ship. Oh, okay, to South Africa and just around. That's pretty cool. That this vehicle has done a lot of. I don't know why it picked such an old car to do it, because well, I don't know. I wouldn't want to be broken down in the middle of Russia somewhere, but that's very nice, very good, excellent. Right, so we have some more, bit more modern cars here. And on this side of the building, so on that side there were cars for sale and the glass garages, and then on this side we actually have, these are all service providers down here, all the way down to the end, and they service your car, repair your car, pretty much anything basically. Oh, these are more garages. Why is there no glass? Oh, I'm not sure why, but yeah. Let's start from the beginning and take a look at what we've got, or what they've got rather. So this is a Jaguar Specialist Michael Gross. Oh, this is the painting. That's pretty good. This is a Michael Gross restorations of classic cars, or classic Jaguars rather. It's a pretty big workshop. Very good setup he's got here. He's got the parts up there. He's got the office. No paint booth though. That's unless he goes off site to paint. Let's see what's next. Vine Sportwagen, Porsche Specialist. Oh, that's a pretty straightforward workshop. I don't think they do restorations, just service and repair. Next we have, this is his office, or the head office, and we also have shop selling detailing products. Ah, I see, it's connected to this. This is a detailing studio. Yeah. So you've got the trussing for the lighting, and they polish cars up and stuff. Yeah, that's pretty good. This is a supercar dealer, and they've got a Bugatti I can't remember what they're called, E11 or something. Yeah, this is very high end. It's a Veyron, McLaren. This is another workshop. I think it's for French cars. Yeah, they're all French cars. Yeah, French. Citroen back there. It's pretty good. This is where these people have electrified this Polo. You see, look, they've got, these are electric cars. So they've electrified this classic Citroen. Expensive though, aren't they? 2CV, electric 2CV, electric Golf. I'm not sure how people respond to electrifying classic cars. I mean, it's perfectly possible in the future, and then you get rid of all the drivetrain problems, but it doesn't make the car original anymore, does it? It's a motorbike dealer. You can do that from a small office. And this is Alfa Romeo Specialist, or Italian. Workstatt for this Italian Classica. It's a classic Italian workshop. So I assume Fiat Alfa. Oh, Lamborghini as well, actually. Oh, for some reason he's got a Corvette down there. Look, just over there. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching my quick tour around classic remise. Please do hit the like and subscribe button if you like what you saw. It really helped me out. And until next time, see you later.